Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram external link are not working. So guys, if you are trying to add your YouTube link or any other social media app link in external link in Instagram, and if it's not working, then I'm going to show you how you can fix that problem. So if you have iPhone, you can simply go to your settings, then click on general, click on iPhone storage. So guys, if you have Android mobile, you can just simply delete and reinstall app from Play Store. So if you have iPhone, you can go to iPhone storage and search for the Instagram, click on it, click on offload app. It won't delete the data in your app, and then you will get this reinstall app option. Click on it and go back to your iPhone home screen, and you will see the process. So as you can see, the app is installing. Now once the app is installed, your problem will be solved. So hope you will like this video. If you do, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.